Interesting and amazing facts. Small facts lead to great knowing. Are you excited? Let's go! Human teeth are just as strong as shark teeth. What? Human teeth have enamel on the outside, which is exactly as hard as this enamel on the outside of shark's teeth. Human teeth have roots because they're supposed to stay in that jawbone for 100 years or more. Do you know? It is impossible to lick your elbow. 99.99% of people can't do this. This is true. Your body part's angle prevents you reach your tongue to reach to your elbow. Your tongue is instantly too short to reach. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck and die. Yes, if you block the pressure of the sneeze, it can cause a rupture of the eardrums, irritation of the throat, and in worst cases, rupture blood vessels in your brain or eyes. Do you know? You're taller in the morning. If you ever look in the mirror in the morning, your stomach is flatter and clothes tend to hang better. Due to gravity, over the daytime, our cartilage compresses to make us slightly shorter, and our organs tend to settle. An octopus has 9 brains, 3 hearts, and blue blood. Octopuses are ocean creatures that are most famous for having 8 arms and bulbous heads. Being boneless, they are quite intelligent and have been observed using tools. There is no flavor in food without saliva. We need saliva to taste our food. In order for food to taste, the chemicals from the food must dissolve in saliva. Once the chemicals in the food are dissolved, they can be detected by receptors in our taste buds. Wearing headphones for just an hour could increase the bacteria in your ears by 700 times. Earphones stay plugged in for a longer period. You will end up harming yourself. Follow the 60-60 rule. Listen at 60% of the maximum volume for no more than 60 minutes a day. Do you know? You actually lose a large percentage of your taste buds while on an airplane. This might explain a lot about those less than stellar in-flight meals. The combination of dryness and low pressure reduces the sensitivity of your taste buds to sweet and salty foods by around 30%, or why you find yourself craving the saltiest foods while in the sky. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect themselves from the blowing desert sand. Camels have different ways to adapt to their environment. They have a 3rd clear eyelid that helps in protecting their eyes from blowing sand. Also, 2 rows of long lashes protect their eyes. If you cut off a snail's eye, it will grow a new one. Not that we recommend cutting off a snail's eye. But, if it does happen to lose one, it can cleverly grow a new one. Cows have best friends and are happier when they're with them. Studies have shown that cows' heart rates increase with a cow they know and recognize. Just like humans, they develop connections with fellow friends. Otters hold hands while sleeping, so they don't float away from each other. Hold any otter's hands. They will either pick their mate or an otter from their family. They do this to avoid getting lost or swept away by strong currents when they fall asleep. A shrimp's heart is in its head. Its heart is located on its thorax, just after the head, but both the head and the thorax are covered with a single exoskeleton only. That is why the shrimp's thorax can be mistaken as still part of the shrimp's head. But in general, we see a shrimp divided only into two parts, the head and the tail. We see no thorax in it. A tsunami can travel as fast as a jet plane. Once a tsunami forms, its speed depends on the depth of the ocean. In the deep ocean, a tsunami can move as fast as a jet plane, over 500 miles per hour, and its wavelength, the distance from crest to crest, may be hundreds of miles. Water can freeze and boil at the same time. It's a phenomenon called triple point, which occurs when the pressure and temperature are perfectly set for the three states of a substance, solid, liquid and vapor, to coexist in equilibrium. Water reaches its triple point a hair about freezing, 0.01 C, and at a pressure of 0.006 atmospheres, atmospheric pressure. The hardest working muscle in your body is your heart. It pumps more than 2,000 gallons of blood a day and beats more than 2.5 billion times in a 70-year lifespan. The ant is one of the world's strongest creatures in relation to its size. A single ant can carry 50 times its own body weight, and they'll even work together to move bigger objects as a group. Ants carry leaves and twigs back to their nests. Thank you for watching.